There's been a massive legal blow for veterans affected by British nuclear tests in outback Australia in the 50s and 60s. A test case for compensation from the British Defence Ministry has been rejected by the Supreme Court in the UK. Australian veterans were hoping to join the case. They're now facing the possible end of a long battle for justice. Ben Worsley reports.
52 years after first serving the Australian Air Force at Maralinga, Avon Hudson still grapples with the fallout every day.
And it's not all physical, like physical illness, it's mental torment as well. And that never goes away.
Mr Hudson has long campaigned for the Australians affected by the British nuclear tests to be compensated. Successive governments here, though, have ignored the call, so a court case in England loomed as perhaps the final chance. 1,000 British veterans mounted a class action against the UK Ministry of Defence, claiming their exposure to radiation in the Australian outback led to illness, disability and, in some cases, death. Overnight, the Supreme Court in London rejected the claim.
We always knew it was going to be a very difficult fight, given the significant amount of time that's elapsed since the testing first was conducted, and also the difficulties that the veterans face in establishing that their illnesses are linked to their original exposure. And
that's exactly what the court decided. It found too much time passed between the veterans discovering their illness and launching their claim. 300 Australian veterans were to join the class action had it succeeded.
It's a very devastating blow to the hopes for our veteran group who we're representing.
I feel absolutely let down by the system. It's the system that we're up against, and it's a cruel, hard-hearted and nasty system.
Avon Hudson says the onus should now return to the Australian government to compensate those who were serving in its name. Ben Worsley, ABC News.